Now you've got this big wave of AI innovation that's hitting every industry, including healthcare. Sounds like the conditions are ripe for some disruption and for some new things to happen. So, what are you seeing now as some new
Absolutely.
opportunities as you look at the market and what's happened over the last couple of years here?
Yeah, well, there's several big things that are all coming together. One I kind of mentioned already is the availability of these large analytic systems in the cloud, Databricks, Snowflake. Go back a few years, people were rolling their own with Hadoop and those types of technologies. But you have tech available that can even make this a possibility for someone to consider. But B, what that also does is it enables companies like my company to say, listen, this is a hard problem, and it's going to be really hard for the thousands of providers across the country to staff full teams of people that have the requisite experience to do these types of analyses quickly. And so there's the opportunity to package that intellectual property or that subject matter expertise as code libraries that can execute within their system, right? So that you can kind of help speed them up. So that the technology infrastructure, I would say, is a major enabler. Even that, if you think of that as kind of the first wave, that's still maturing, right? And as you know, every industry uh, follows different paths in terms of their speed to adoption of new things. Healthcare, while you do have a lot of really innovative companies kind of on the leading edge, I would say the majority are a little bit slower to adopt big changes in their technology infrastructure. They've got big important operations, right? So risk is a big concern to them. But then kind of as you were leading there too, I mean, AI is one of those things that is making certain types of analyses or data management processes something that's a little bit more efficient, easier to do. And I would highlight the making it more accessible to maybe a lower technical skilled user. Maybe they don't know how to write SQL or they don't know how to get in there and code big data pipelines. There's a lot of applications that AI can assist with for helping folks make use of the really tight budgets that everybody in this industry is experiencing.